Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the output speakers on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then select the system tile. On the left panel underneath System, you want to go down and select Sound. And then on the right side where it says Choose Your Output Device, click the drop down. And if you have multiple speakers set up or configured to your device, select whatever your preference may be. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.